Your kitchen is spotless after a deep clean. Counters shining, sink empty, everything in its place. But then, life happens. A single dinner, one rushed breakfast, and suddenly, crumbs, grease, dishes piling up again. It feels like your hard work disappears overnight. But what if I told you there are simple habits, tiny daily actions, that keep your kitchen sparkling every single day without exhausting deep cleans? Why kitchens get messy so fast? The kitchen isn't just a cooking space, it's the heartbeat of the home. Meals are made, conversations are shared, memories are created, but that constant use also makes it the hardest place to keep clean. Oil splatters, crumbs, sticky handles. Chaos sneaks in daily. The truth? You don't need to deep clean constantly. You just need to build micro habits that silently prevent mess from piling up. Habit number 1. Wipe as you go. This is the simplest, yet most powerful habit. Finished chopping vegetables? Wipe the counter. A little spill while pouring milk? Wipe it instantly. These seconds of care prevent hardened stains that take hours later. Think of it as fighting mess while it's still weak, before it grows strong enough to frustrate you. Habit number 2. Empty the sink every night. Nothing makes a kitchen look messier than a sink full of dishes. No matter how tired you are, wash them, or at least load them into the dishwasher before bed. Waking up to an empty sink feels like a fresh start. It's emotional, too, beginning your day in a kitchen that welcomes you instead of overwhelming you. Habit number 3. The 5-minute counter reset. Every evening, take just 5 minutes to reset the counters. Clear items that don't belong, wipe surfaces, put away small appliances. A clear counter not only looks beautiful, it discourages clutter from forming again. Because when one item stays out, more follow. But when it's clear, you think twice before leaving anything behind. Habit number 4. Control the paper and plastic invasion. Mail, receipts, wrappers. These silently invade the kitchen. Create a drop zone, a small basket for mail, a bag for recyclables. Contain the chaos before it spreads. This habit doesn't just keep things clean, it gives your mind peace from visual clutter. Habit number 5. Daily sweep or quick vacuum. Crumbs fall, flour scatters, pet hair drifts. A quick sweep or handheld vacuum once a day takes 2 minutes, but keeps the floor sparkling. It also stops crumbs from being tracked across the house. Imagine the difference between stepping barefoot on a clean floor versus one filled with grit. Small action, big feeling. Habit number 6. Shine the sink. Here's a surprising secret. When your sink shines, the whole kitchen feels cleaner. After the last dish, sprinkle baking soda, scrub lightly, rinse, and dry with a cloth. In 1 minute, your sink looks brand new. It's the jewel of your kitchen. When it gleams, everything else seems to glow brighter. Habit number 7. The 1-minute rule. If it takes less than a minute, do it now. Wipe a handle. Put spices back. Rinse a cup. These micro actions take seconds, but save hours of deep cleaning. You train yourself to tackle mess at its smallest, weakest stage, before it grows into chaos. The emotional transformation. Pause and imagine this. You walk into your kitchen in the morning, counters clear, sink shining, no pile of dirty dishes staring at you. Suddenly, making breakfast feels lighter. Cooking dinner feels enjoyable instead of stressful. Your kitchen isn't just clean, it's energizing. This isn't just about looks. A clean kitchen affects your mood, your focus, even your willingness to cook healthy meals. It's a small environment shift with a huge emotional payoff. Why small habits beat deep cleans? Here's the truth. Deep cleans are exhausting. They drain hours, sometimes days. But small daily habits? They cost you minutes, sometimes seconds. And they prevent buildup so well, deep cleans become rare and light. It's like maintaining your health. You don't need surgery if you eat right and exercise daily. Prevention is always easier than cure. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more practical, unconventional tips to make your home and your life cleaner, calmer, and happier. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community because the real secret isn't deep cleaning, it's daily care.